How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay and I'm back with another video. So for today, I'm going to be showing you how I make my coffee. I don't know. I'm just going to show you. Okay, let's do it. So I first take a mason jar. Then I put some coffee. I put like 4 tablespoons or I just use the Dakkan of it and put like 2 of that Dakkan, the cap. Yep, that's that. Then after I put the coffee, I am going to put some hot water, not boiling water, just hot water. It is done. I'm going to put some cold water in it. And after that, I'm going to put it in the fridge. And then I'm going to just leave it in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours. So, yeah. Okay, so it's been more than 12. I think it's been 24 hours. I'm gonna make my coffee. So, yeah. So I'm gonna take another mason jar thing. I'm gonna put some ice. And after that, I'm going to put some milk in it. And then I'm going to mix it. Oh, and I also put a little bit of honey for taste. I usually put sugar because sugar tastes better to me. But I forgot to do it yesterday. So there goes honey. Honey, honey, honey. That's it. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. That is how I make my coffee. Like if you like the video, like if you like coffee, like if you hate coffee, and like if you don't care about coffee. So yeah,
Dislike if you hate coffee, like if you like.
and yeah, like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers before my 1 year. Today is
No.
Today is 13th. Today is 13th July, so like 4 days. So I'm really excited. But yeah. So bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.